Today we're going to show you how to replace the bulb in our 1L units. You will need a 3/16 Allen wrench. Well, we will be taking out these 4 bolts. And you will need some type of glove. You're not supposed to touch the bulb with your bare hand because of the oils. Alright. Kind of push this little tab down. That little metal tab. Bend it backwards. Pops right out. Now to put it back in, you kind of put the back end backwards on it and pop right back in. Now we're going to install this back. That's got the bulb's got to sit in there. Now we are going to put our screws back in. Give them a little tighten. Oops. And that is it. That is how you replace the bulb on our 1L units.